What's up, guys? We're gonna jump in and do a quick overview of the market. Look at our trades and figure out what we're gonna do from here. We ended out the day with a massive win on about four of our five setups. So I just want to take a quick peek. It'll be a really quick session tonight, you guys. So let me get out of that website builder. TP Sniper, what up, God? Let's bring this up.
There's a brand new AI tool.
Okay. So I noticed we had a double bottom on a 2 hour. So I had a zone set there on CAD JPY. We hit, almost hit TP3. So we only have one position open left on this pair. Right now, price is retesting the gap. We'll see how it responds in this area. You want to see what goes on right here. Also, while we're in here, let's go down to the smaller time frames and see if we got anything. Okay, cool. So right here, at this structural level, where this flag was broken, there is a chance that this area can get retested. So I'm going to keep my third position open on CAD JPY. Okay, gold went up a little. All right, cool. And we're gonna set another sell limit right here. Put this stop loss above the high here. We're gonna drag this thing down. Okay, we're gonna check out the AUD sale limit. That look, yeah. So CAD. So we got, man, what? They're trying to hate on us, V. But you got CAD JPY, excuse me, y'all. Facebook was telling me something about using that instrumental. But CAD JPY, USD JPY, and pound JPY. Oh, was it Euro JPY? Most of them look the same right now, but we'll go through it and do it after we get these trade setups in. So I thought we were going to just chart and that would be it, but it actually left room for some opportunities. So let's go ahead and act on them now. So we'll be ahead of the curve. If you do your homework early, you just go to sleep. Let the market come to you. So let's get some more TPs. All right, TP1, TP2 right there at that level of structure. And then we already got the same TP3. Man, we got things set up pretty nice, V. If you are free on Thursdays, man, definitely start coming out, man. Let me go ahead and put these trades in. CAD JPY, 30 minute. Now what do we have up there? Let's move that entry up to the 50, and we're gonna move that stop loss up as well. Again, you guys, if you want to learn how to trade and you don't know where to begin, head to our website. Take our free course. Take our free course, spin.
Are you aware the starting salary for a cybersecurity expert exceeds $100,000? Did you also know that many cybersecurity professionals...
What up, spin? V, you got that trade in? Man, my screens are out of order. You got me. Okay, cool. Looks like I needed to place that stop loss a little higher. All right, Sniper, let me know when you get that trade set up in. Yes, sir. Got it. Okay, so from here, we are heading to take a look at, what was it, USD JPY? Hold on, I have one more entry myself. Let's see how that lines up with the 4 hour. Okay. That's why we got this high right here. All right, and we are done. So now let's move on. Head over to USD JPY. Man. V, I want you to well, you were in some of these trades. But imagine this. Imagine catching all of them. If you close right here, there was a 1 to 23 on USD JPY that we called. I'm sorry, on USD JPY. On Euro JPY, you close everything right there. That's almost a 1 to, no, that's a 1 to 7. Okay. Oh shit, EA activated. CAD JPY 1 to 18. Man, come on, that is just wild. Okay, wow. So this thing really showed up and showed out. I am going to place a limit order at that right shoulder if it closed like that. That inverse head and shoulders, V. Let me set an alert. Because we're supposed to be headed back to USD JPY. Now this thing could fall from here, so what time is it? AUD? Yeah, AUD gets active at this time. Let's see, what would the first target, what is the first target on here? What was that? 2 hour double bottom. Hold on, we're going to USD JPY in a few, but this is actually the Aussie session, so this thing will move a little more. So let's go ahead and see exactly what's going on. We already had this setup placed, and I honestly second guessed it. I did not think that reaction would be as smooth. And we actually went over this in a live session. So I said we'll wait and set an alert. It did not break above the highs and hit this alert. It just really hit our entry and fell immediately. So we should have just pulled the trigger, but it's okay. Another lesson. Trust yourself. I think I spooked myself out. We were winning so much. I forgot all we say is infinite wins. But it will be coming back. So let's wait and see. That's one thing we don't do, miss out. So what was that, the 30 minute and the hour? We'll see how price responds right here. That'll let us in this trade setup. It will be a short time setup. So we'll figure out how we'll manage it after the entry. So let's go ahead and, yup, you got it. What is this? Oh, so on the 2 hour, you guys, I called these areas days ago. Now, so you know you're ready. Now, the reason I did not take this trade is honestly because we hit like, what did we hit, V? Over 1,000 pips in a couple hours. Sometimes you just gotta get away from the computer. That was a big morning. I'm talking about big wins. Big wins. Win! Yeah! So, I had to just let that soak in. But, if we would have taken this buy from our buy zone, that would have been a beautiful setup. Looks like we could possibly get a pullback. So, may not be out of the woods. Okay, let's try this. We got a inverse head and shoulders on the lower time frame. Right here is where price created micro structure on the smaller time frames. And I've been looking at these charts for so long I can see it from the higher time frame. If price rejects to retest this area, we can take a buy to this area. All right, this is where we have that breaking structure. Let's get rid of that. And that's why you have to be patient. You are never out of the way, man. It's always a way. Look at that. So I'll set this. We're going to set this buy and the sell. Let's get bold right quick. We're going to do the same thing on CAD. Now, it really depends on which one gets hit first. So let's set an alert. Actually, on USD JPY and CAD JPY. Now, if it hits this area first, I'm pretty sure it's gonna blow through this. Okay, so we want to be mindful of what happens first. Now, if we get a rejection from one of these gaps and it pulls back to retest that level, this could definitely be the play. And then we'll come down here and hit this area that price wants to retest anyway and see what happens from that point. So the only trade that we should place now to be safe is this sell. And once either this alert or this alert is triggered, then we'll put in the limit order for this buy. And it'll be the same thing for USD JPY. So let's go ahead, alert up. So right now we're gonna label this area as a no-fly zone. Let me find what a stop sign in here. We gotta start doing that. If I go through and find it now, I won't have to find it later. Alright, so this will be the no trading zone right here. Oh shit. As soon as we get it up, we delete it. Don't look like that on the terminal. Okay. We still got the alert set, so as soon as it's in that area, we'll get alerted, so we'll know for sure exactly what's going on. So this will be our no trading zone right here. We got those alerts set. Let's get this order in on USD JPY. Boom, 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 boom. Hey. Nah, mine look like that on the live. Let's see. Yeah, I like that part. So I'm placing that sell order now on USD JPY. Okay. Damn, was there a glitch in the Matrix? All right, TPs. It's 2-hour double bottom down here. This will be TP3. This area right here, TP1.
Embrace the extraordinary and elevate.
Okay. And we got TP2 right in here. Excuse me. All right, so that's what we're looking at as far as USD JPY. Oh, no, 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 no. All right, Euro JPY. Pretty sure we got something similar. Man, these things were stopping at these areas. Like, this is really accurate, man. Wow. Let's get rid of that. That got played. This is still valid. This could be deleted. This already got played. That's another thing. Try to keep your charts clean, people. Let's play this level of structure right here. As far as an area to add to this position, let's move this over. Oh, that's not over. That's deleting. Is that a double bottom on a 1 hour? Now we would have to respect that high. Yeah, so we do have a smaller time frame entry, but on the 1 hour we have a double top right here. So it would be foolish of us to see a setup like that and not to be mindful of it. So we will note it and we will keep that in mind as far as when we're placing our stop loss. So what we don't want to do is miss out on this trade being greedy. Now, if we kept our entry low, only paying attention to this first entry, we can get another 1 to 24 trade. Now, just because we got a couple, don't mean that we should ignore things like this. So, a 1 to 6 is still above average. So let's take that instead. So the entry is on the 15 minute. Stop loss above that. Double top on the 1 hour. So Euro JPY. Excuse me. Yep. Okay, so that's a good spot right there as far as that stop loss. Let me know when you get that one in, V. I should have took those buys. I was high off life. But we will treat this thing the same way as far as setting these alerts. So we're going to place the sell. We're going to set the alerts right here in this area. We're going to wait for the retest. And we'll have an opportunity to take the buys if this low is clipped first. If this low is clipped first and price retest that area, we're going to look at that buy. Yep, same thing. We got a double bottom on this one. And this is the breaker structure. So we'll wait for that retest. Uh-oh, wrong thing. So is that it? No, we got pound JPY. Oh man, that was wild. So we had a 2 hour double bottom down here on pound JPY. And this thing came down here and hit it smoothly with a wicked entry. But like I said, we went so crazy. It's like, nah, forget these buys. Not realizing it was, Tuesday? We normally get a redirection on Tuesday. But man, look at this. I held this past my TP3. So originally this was my TP3. But we held it and got out down here. That's a 1-21 risk reward trade setup. Absolutely fucking wild, man. Crazy week with the wins. I'm telling you, man, you guys better get active and stay active. Because, man, it's only up from here. Let's see. What are we going to expect next with price? Win. Yeah. Big wins. Let's get rid of that. That got played. This zone got played as well. So now we just have the liquidity present. Man. Beautiful. So if we look down here, this is what made me take this trade setup. We had divergence down here. So this thing was making lower highs and lower lower highs and lower lows while price was moving up. And not only that, we got a reversal pattern that was printed, a head and shoulders pattern, and price pulled back to retest with these wicks. From there, we took this sell, and this thing went absolutely amazing. And this was our entry from this retest. Boom. And then everything just got active. And all from learning how to identify a few simple patterns. So this thing looks like it presents the same thing. 1 hour retest zone. I told you, V. Now, what was that? Smaller time frame entry. Okay, so this level of structure where we have all of these retests, this is the area that we want to play for this particular setup. Now, as far as a re-entry, we do have a double bottom at the lows right here on the 30-minute. There's also one on the hour. There is also one, I believe, on the 2 hour as well. Yep, 2 hour as well. So let's see if this area will be retested. And if so, we'll take the buy. Same thing. So the same thing. This is wild. I tell you guys, it's the same thing happening over and over again on different charts and different time frames. And today in this particular charting session, you actually got to see it happen firsthand for yourself. We found the same exact setup on at least 3 different charts. So of course you can learn how to master something if you're doing the same thing over and over again. It's like clockwork. We perfected this system and broke it down to where it's easy to understand and repeatable. So not only do we win consistently and we stick out, man. For real.
They not like us.
Yeah, man. Okay, so that'll be it for tonight, you guys, man. I appreciate you for hopping on. We'll go ahead and close it out. We got the trade setups that we want to place in. Oh, I'm sorry, V. We are not getting out of here until we look at AUD USD. So, rain check, everybody. We are going to take a look at AUD USD. So, what happened? What was this? This was earlier today? Okay. Where are we on the daily? Okay, so we still have liquidity above the highs. Let's get rid of that. Let's go out to the higher time frame. What do we have here? This is consolidation at its best, looking terrible. ready to wreak havoc, confuse the shit out of people, and take all their money. All right. Which broker do I use? We run through Trade Locker, man. If you want to sign up with the people that we use and also take our free course, head over to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com, and sign up for that free course to show you how to set up your demo account, your live account, how to place your trades, monitor your trades. And that way when you see that live button, you'll be able to hop on with me, take the trade when I trade, use that demo account to get comfortable, and from there move to the live to start making money, going green with the team. Learn how to make profits without being present. So let's go ahead and finish trapping price. We got this area right here that we're watching. We'll go ahead and identify this as range. Now, anytime you see range, you want to make sure you use something to trap price, even if it's just two lines. You don't have to be fancy, as long as you understand it when you're looking at it. Now, something that gives us a great edge is the concept of stop hunting. Okay? I'll explain it for you guys. Retail traders, when they see range or they see the market making relatively equal highs, they place their stop losses above those areas or below them. Now, the market can see your orders as well as your stop losses. So there's nothing hidden on their side. What will typically happen is price will either break above, hit one level, and then go on a sell after it captured all of the money in this area, or it'll happen the other way. The money will be in this area, the market will reach down, capture it, and then move to its intended target. So in understanding that the market is man-made and man-manipulated, we put ourselves in a position to take advantage of these things instead of being a victim of them. Okay, so that's what we use, and that's what gives us these great risk-reward ratio setups. But right now, if we just go off the basics, while this thing is in range, we see, oh, what's going on? We got somebody that just subscribed. We see that price is definitely creating lower highs, okay? Even with this pullback here. We got lower highs being created while price is in range. Let's take a peek. If we take a peek at the EMAs, they're kind of trapping price in this area. So let's take a look at these highs right here on the smaller time frame to see what we have. Once we understand what we're looking at on that smaller time frame, we can get a better idea of the potential of this pullback. So I see what you were looking at, V. You got this double top right here. Now, if it does not hold at that level, okay, because it very well could, you very well could get a retest of resistance while price is still within range here, but you'll have to account for those highs. You also have to account for this low. We can either see a retest of this low or a break of it. And why would we expect that break? Because of liquidity. We got a lot of money hiding down there, and the market wants to get that money. And just to show you an example of this, it's the exact same concept I used to find this 1 to 18 trade on CADJPY. Look at this thing on the 1 hour. Price is creating relatively equal lows right here. Look, the same thing you saw on the other chart. I drew an arrow. I gave myself an identification, or a visual identification, that there was money down here. And what did I do? I just traded with the market towards the money. Same thing here. Same thing on Euro JPY. Look at this. Relatively equal lows. What's here? Money. What happened as soon as they took your money? It shoots up. This is a game, and it's just up to us to be patient enough to see it. Same thing here. Pound JPY, relatively equal lows, liquidity, price drops. Wicks another entry that we set and moves up. Dang, same thing here. Man, we got a bunch of examples. USD JPY, okay? Multiple rejections. Liquidity created. Price falls, captures all of that money, and then it moves. Oh, we didn't even take a look at our gold trade. So gold hit TP1, but it rejected at support. I need to set an alert right here because I want to make sure that we don't give up all our profits on gold. Gold did create a head and shoulders pattern right here. So we could definitely see a retest of resistance. So let's go ahead and move those stop losses right here above the 236 for that remaining trades, TP2 and TP3. And we'll also set an alert beneath this area. Yeah, so that'll be it. That will be it. So if you guys want to get started, you want to trade, you don't know where to begin, head over to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. I'll show you how to set up your demo accounts. I'll show you how to set up your live accounts, teach you how to properly leverage, giving you a trading plan. So when you see that live button, you'll be able to hop on, trade with me, go live, go green with the team, and learn to make profits without being present. Outside of that, we have our structure breaking mindset series. This is the piece that really got me to where I am right now, okay? Learning how to align not only your desire of trading, but your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions, and using them all in unison to create the discipline and consistency necessary to become profitable as a trader. Also, this 6-week journal, writing, it's a big part of reprogramming your subconscious mind, so it all helps in the development to get you where you want to be. We also have our books available on Amazon, 6 Steps to Trading with Consistent Results. That covers everything that I use in these charting sessions and in our live trading sessions. We also have log books available to help you log your trades, and not only that, your emotional state throughout those processes to help you get exactly where you want to be. Outside of that, we got our merch, you guys. So support the vision, support the dream, support the team, and remember that you're one trade away from living. Why fight to stay the same?
Okay, let the streets know. Okay, let the streets know. Okay, okay. What's in my mind?